Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. Firstly, you have to open camera, and then when you adjust the normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down the shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So you just hold it like this and take a burst shot. By tapping on this icon here, burst, you can... Okay. It already opens like this burst shot. So you can just scroll it here and select the shot which fits you best. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.